Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how I made these gender reveal cookies that were fall themed. So as you guys can see, I love to draw out and plan out all my cookies. So for this truck, I have a boy and girl, so I'll do 3 of each, but they're basically the same design. So let's get started by making the plaque that I'll put my pumpkins on. So here I'm going to be mixing my vodka with my food coloring, which creates a really pretty watercolor effect. And don't worry guys, you don't even taste it. It's barely on the cookie. The reason that I color it orange instead of white is for when I paint the gold on, it makes it really stand out and a lot more opaque. So here I'm doing the wet on wet technique, so the orange just falls into the white and makes it nice and smooth. I also use the same wet on wet technique to do the polka dots. So these trucks turned out so cute, but you do have to put it on layer by layer to make sure that the parts of the truck don't blend together. So for my girl truck, I did 4 banners and I wrote girl once they were dry, and I did the exact same thing for boy, but with just 3 flags. There you guys have it. Here are my fall themed gender reveal cookies. I absolutely loved the way these turned out, and I hope you guys get to give them a try. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button, and I will see you guys later.